visit the Hoover Dam, and it's pretty cool. So right now, if you look behind me, you can actually see the Hoover Dam. It's way bigger than I thought it would be. If you go inside the visitor center, there's lots of cool exhibits that tell you about how it was built and what it does. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you can't make it to Hoover Dam, I hope this told you a little more about it. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. I answer them all. And if you like this video, leave a like. Anyway, this is John signing off. Have a great week.